Hi there. In this quick video, I'll show you how to log in and search from products using the website's built-in tools. Start by going to MWComponents.com and clicking Sign In. Here, you'll log in with your email and password. Once logged in, you'll be able to get the most accurate pricing and access your quote and order history. Once logged in, you can use the search bar located at the top of the home page to search for keywords, product names, or part numbers, whatever you're looking for. Your search results will appear below, showing images for products. You'll be able to click on items to view more detailed specs, availability, and ordering options. Depending on the category that you're looking for, you'll be able to see filters on the left side of the screen that include material, size, product type, and different things so you can find the product that you're looking for. On a product detail page, you'll be able to find information that includes pricing, lead times, and configuration options. At this point, you can add to cart or you can request a quote. That's it. Searching for products is quick and intuitive. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to help. Thank you.